Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Paul, and today we're going to look at the best bang for your buck replacement parts for cutting weight from our Fox bodies, but from the perspective of what that part actually costs us per pound. I'll explain further. Stay with me. Let's get started. For today's video, I focused on the best replacement parts for removing weight from the nose of the car. I looked at all the usual weight reduction modifications. I then figured out what the cost per pound was, which gives us a unit price per se. I've now ranked them from our best bang for our buck, which is our lowest cost per dollar, and I've worked my way down. So let's start with number one. Number one weight reduction modification that you can do to the front nose of these Fox bodies without question is a battery relocation kit. This is going to displace about 40 pounds. By the time you move the battery, get rid of the tray, you're going to be shifting that weight to the back of the car. But more importantly, you've removed all that weight from the driver's side frame rail. This mod is highly cost effective, and it comes in at about $4.24 per pound. Coming in at number two is the Steeda tubular front bumper support. This is the one that's on the beast behind me. You're going to shave 20 pounds off of the front nose, which is huge. And again, it's another highly cost-effective modification, coming in at about $6.49 per pound. Number three on the list is the UPR Tubular K-Member Complete Front End Kit. You're going to take care of everything all in one shot. Yes, it's a little bit more expensive, but you got to consider the significant amount of weight that you're going to be dropping, about 70 pounds. You're also going to free up a lot of space in the front end there. So it is a very cost-effective modification, coming in at $12.42 per pound. Number four on the list is the Aerospace front brake kit. I really like this modification. You're going to be getting a lot better brakes for the front. You're going to drop a good chunk of weight, about 32 pounds. And more importantly, a lot of that is rotating mass, which is huge. So it is an excellent weight cut modification. However, it does come in at $25.90 per pound. Number five on the list, we can't forget about those aluminum heads. We're going to drop some serious weight with that swap, about 50 pounds in total. Now there's a lot of different heads and a lot of different price ranges. If you can find something used, even better. So I kind of took a median at $1,500, which translates to $30 per pound. Number six on the list is getting a drag pack for your car. However, I only took the weight from the front skinnies, as we're focusing on cutting weight from the front nose. On average, you're going to drop between 28 to 32 pounds, pending the skinny up front. Keeping in mind, again, that is rotating mass, which is huge. That said, that's going to translate to about $34 per pound to get those skinnies on there. And the last item on the list for today is a fiberglass hood. Now, the fiberglass hoods have also a big range of weight differences. So I kind of took a medium approach again. I took my fiberglass hood into account, which is a 2.5-inch cowl, and that's a 20-pound drop. So based on all of that, to get a fiberglass hood on your Fox, it's going to cost you about $37 per pound. Before we wrap up the video, I do have an honorable mention. It's not a weight reduction from the front nose, but still worth bringing up, and that's the rear seat delete. It's not an expensive modification. You're going to drop 20 pounds plus easily, and it comes in at only $9.50 per pound. Wrapping up the video, if you were to do all these weight reduction modifications, you're going to be taking off 250 pounds off of the front nose, which is, now if you put that together with my previous video of how to cut 350 pounds out of your car, you're looking at 600 pounds in total, and now you got your Foxbody going on a serious diet. That said, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you found it helpful. Hope you enjoyed the cost per pound perspective. You guys know what to do. Give the video a like, drop in a comment, smash the subscribe button. As always, we appreciate you watching our videos, and we'll see you again here on Paul the Fox.